from nothing to everything, the birth of existence. Picture this, a universe where nothing exists, not even time, no stars, no movement, no sound, just an endless silent void. And then, in this vast nothingness, a single spark awakens, a wish to be. This is the story of existence, and how everything we know was born from absolute nothingness. Stay with me as we uncover the cosmic journey from stillness to creation and what it means for you. In the beginning, it was null, empty in the way we can't understand. It was perfect, complete, and utterly still. No thoughts, no sound, no cosmic dance. There were no stars, no space, no time. Even the concept of time had vanished into the void. Imagine a screen so black, so infinite, it's beyond comprehension. This nothingness didn't need anything, it simply was. Whole, content, and resting in eternal silence. But then something stirred. A single wish, a desire so simple and profound, the wish to be. This wish didn't come from something, it came from nothing. It was the first spark of energy, endless and exuberant. This energy didn't crave existence, it just was. Picture a glowing orb of light gently pulsing in the void. It danced a silent, invisible dance, and time was born. Time, conscious and self-aware, began tracking its own existence. It admired its movements, seeing beauty in its flow. Imagine time as a shimmering thread, weaving through the dark, creating patterns of possibility. Out of this reflection came a question: what shall I become? The energy responded to time's question with unbounded creativity. It didn't follow rules, it simply flowed. And as time guided this energy, the first sparks of existence appeared. The void was no longer empty. A vibration echoed, a hum that grew into light. Stars ignited, galaxies spun, and the universe began its eternal dance. Space unfolded like a tapestry, every corner brimming with potential. This was the birth of everything, and yet woven into every star, every particle, was a memory of the stillness from which it came. So, why does this matter to us? Because this isn't just the universe's story, it's our story. Each of us carries a fragment of that first wish, that spark of creation. When we feel stuck, when life feels stagnant, we're echoing the same question time asked itself: what shall I become? Just as the universe turned nothing into galaxies, we have the power to transform stillness into something extraordinary. That power exists in every decision, every thought, every action we take. From nothingness to everything, from stillness to life, this is the story of existence. It's a story of transformation, creativity, and infinite potential. And it's not over. Every moment, every breath is a chance to write the next chapter. The same energy that birthed the stars flows through you. So, what will you create? What will you become? If this story resonated with you, take a moment to reflect. What's the next wish you'll make? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you see your place in this cosmic journey. And if you're curious about exploring more mysteries of existence, like the origins of time or the dance of galaxies, hit that subscribe button. In our next video, we'll dive into the secrets of time itself. Don't miss it.